Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Season 2, Episode 201 of the Ask Matt series. Alright, so today's question comes from Debbie, and Debbie's question was budget-friendly ideas if you're starting out with a small cutter like the Silhouette Cameo or the Cricut. Alright, Debbie, so a few budget-friendly ideas that I have when I got started. As many of you know, I started as the decal world. Right? So I only did vinyl car window decals, and I started with a cutter that wasn't even as good as the Silhouette Cameo. So starting with a Cricut or a Cameo, no problem with that. Now it's just a matter of finding budget-wise what's going to work for you and your business as far as the supplies and the type of things you're going to make. With the decal world, all I did was vinyl car window decals. For a while before I ever owned a heat press or started doing shirts. Now, can you get away with, and I get this question asked all the time, can you get away with using an iron to do t-shirts? Yes, you can. The only problem with that is when you do, you're going to sacrifice some of that quality. So the problem with using an iron is you can't get that even pressure, that even time and temperature on every single press, right? And you're hitting different areas based on your iron size. So making some shirts for yourself, making some shirts for your friends just to test it out and get going, you can probably get away with it once you're selling shirts to customers. The downfall to trying to get away with an iron is as soon as you make a shirt for a customer and the material falls off, you have lost that customer for life, right? You just lost a customer. And one customer when you're starting is huge. It could be your first customer, which could grow into hundreds of customers to thousands of customers and so on if you make something great, something quality, and they share with all of their friends. So even though you lose one customer, doesn't mean you're just losing one, because they're going to share with their friends, don't buy from this person as well, because it falls right off my shirt. So if you're looking to do shirts, I recommend getting just an inexpensive heat press. I would recommend just the pink craft press, right? So that now you're around that $300 range. You got your Silhouette Cameo around that you're $600 in, and you're able to get going and start a business and do t-shirts, do rhinestone car window decals, do bling anything, do all of that stuff, right? But it's again, like I say all the time, the pink craft press and the nice Silhouette Cameo or even the Cricut is better than what I started with. So don't let anybody put you down because you use a Cricut or because you use a Cameo or because you use a craft press, right? Any press, any cutter is better than no press and no cutter. You can't start your business without it. So if you need to do like me and just start with vinyl car window decals until you make some money with it, great. If you can afford a heat press right off the start, you can get right into it. You're doing decals, t-shirts, everything, even better. I didn't have the money to do that at the time, so all I could do was vinyl car window decals. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it answered some of your questions with getting started on a budget early, but just get the material you need. Again, I didn't go buy every single sign vinyl that I could when I was the decal world. I got white. Again, I was on a super tight budget. All I got was white sign vinyl, and all I did was make white vinyl car window decals. That at the time I sold on eBay, and then I eventually got to Equid, which was my site. So hopefully this helped you out. Comment below. Of course, make sure to click that like button right there if you like these videos. Make sure to subscribe right there and click the little bell right next to it, and that's going to set a reminder and a notification each time I make one of these for 100 days straight to help your business. But thanks for watching. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about that. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, crew? Later.